Greetings to all. This is Niaz Ahmad from Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur, India. In this international virtual conference organized by the Association of Indian Biologists in collaboration with the Association of Global Academician and Researcher, I would like to present my opinion on scholarship and fellowship. I feel proud that I am one of the office bearer of the association. Now I would like to give some input about scholarship as well as fellowship. Regarding the Indian scholarship, Government of India give a single website for application as well as getting the information about the scholarship in India. The National Scholarship Portal, NSP, it will give detailed information about what are the various central schemes, UGC schemes, state schemes available in the India. If you click the central scheme, you will get the various opportunities for the school children to up to the postdoctoral fellowships. In the other hand, if you click the UGC scheme, you will get the clear scholarship opportunity for the postgraduate students. In the other hand, if you click the state schemes, you will get the clarity of idea about the various states offering the scholarships for their nativity students. So if you use the new user login, you will get the portal to register yourself as a applicant. Then after the registration, you have to give the various documents. These are the things you have to input in that particular portal. When we are talking about the various research and development funds whom we have to approach, the first priority goes to the University Grants Commission. It will give the various research funding in various domains. It includes humanities, social sciences, languages, literature, pure science, engineering and technology, pharmacy, medical, agricultural, etc. It includes major and minor research projects. These are all the available grants for affiliated colleges. Both teaching faculty, research faculty as well as scholars can be applied for these grants. You have to check the UGC website frequently to avail this facility. The next priority goes to the AICTE. The All India Council for Technical Education, a funding body, give the grants to postgraduate as well as undergraduate students as well as the colleges. It gets the affiliation from the AICTE. It has various schemes. The schemes include research and institutional development schemes, industry institution interaction schemes, and etc. Here it gives the major priority in the engineering and technology. In addition, it gives the architecture, town planning, management, pharmacy, hotel management, catering technology, applied arts and crafts, etc. The second important funding body is CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The CSIR conducting JRF program, competitive exam in yearly twice. It gives the various funding opportunity to the budding researcher. It was undertaken by the Human Resource Development Government of India. It includes research schemes, sponsored schemes, emeritus scientist schemes, research fellowship and associateship, which includes Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Fellowship, Recognition of Excellence, CSR Young Scientist Award, Senior Research Fellowship, Shanti Swarap Paragnati Prize. It gives various opportunities to the researchers. We have to check the CSIR HRDG website, the Human Resource Development Group. In the other hand, Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO along with LSRB board, Life Science Research Board, collaborating with the DRDO, it gives various research opportunities to the researchers as well as faculty members. It includes Extramural Research Scheme, Aeronautics Research and Development Board including. So, while we are talking about the other domain, Department of Atomic Energy gives the importance to the physics background, faculty members as well as researchers. Board of Research in Nuclear and BRNS, DAE in collaborative with the BRNS, it gives various funding opportunities to the researcher in the form of R&D project, conducting symposium, conference and workshop. DA Young Scientist Research Award, DS Krishnan Research Associateship, Raja Ramanna Fellowship, Visiting Scientist, Homi Bhabha Chair Professorship, DA Graduate Fellowship, DAE Graduate Fellowship for Performing PhD, DA SRC Award. We have to check the website frequently to get the notification about that particular funding agency. In the other hand, Department of Biotechnology, DPT gives the various grants for the life science students, including the agriculture, bioinformatics, basic research, human resource development, biotic product and process development, infrastructure facilities to equip the colleges as well as the various academic institutions. It includes various research support to the life science graduates as well as those who are doing the post-graduation as well as PhD. In the other hand, Department of Coal, DOC give the various funding opportunity in the form of Center Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited, the nodal agency for coordinating R&D activities in coal and lignite sectors. It includes the science and technology initiatives. It gives the area of research support in production, productivity, safety, etc. We have to check the website frequently to get the notification about the particular funding body. Department of Ocean Development gives the high priority in the areas of fundamental understanding as well as the assistant for research project in ocean sciences as well as ocean research and management. DST. A DST is the very big funding agency which is nowadays giving various funds for researcher and academician in the form of SERB, Science and Engineering Research Board. In DST as well as SERB, it gives various notification in the frequently for giving sponsored research in and around India. We have to check the website frequently. DSIR nowadays affiliating various research laboratories in and around India and give them the technology promotion, development, utilization of the funds. It gives various opportunity to the researchers as well as the academicians. In the other hand, Indian Council of Medical Research give the high priority area include medicine, public health and allied areas. The ICM are also conducting competitive exams yearly once for the benefit of biomedical students to complete their PhD studies with fellowship. While we are talking about ICMR, ICAR nowadays it called as ASRB. ICA, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, also conducting the competitive exams during in the month of December or based on their announcement. It conducting the exams and giving the fellowship to the deserved candidates. Indian Meteorological Department, IMD gives the various research opportunities as well as fellowship for the those who are working in the meteorological service. It includes various areas of research support, topics related to advancement of knowledge in the fields of meteorology and atmospheric sciences with particular reference to Indian region. We have to check the website frequently for getting the research opportunities. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, it gives the high priority research funding in the areas of space research. The names of the schemes include ISRO Sponsor Research Program, RESPON, Space Science Promotion. The main areas of research support include space science, application technology, space communication, Earth resources survey, metallurgy and satellite chemistry. So we have to check the website frequently to get the update about the announcement and funding opportunity. Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, MOCIT, in the form of information technology, it gives the high priority research fellowship for IT sector. Ministry of Communication and Information Technology